Looking to upgrade your home, garage, or shop with a serious piece of equipment? Whether you're a weekend wrench warrior or a small business mechanic, a two-post car lift can be a game changer. Today on Coupon Cove, we're breaking down the top 5 two-post car lifts on Amazon, all chosen for their performance, value, and reviews. I'll leave the Amazon links for each of these car lifts in the description below. Starting off our list at number 5 is the XKL1100. It delivers solid lifting power with a 3 horsepower motor and a clear floor design that's great for tight garage setups. At just under 71 inches of lift, it's slightly lower than the others, but still enough for most cars and light trucks. It's a workhorse at a price that doesn't break the bank. It's perfect for DIYers on a budget looking for reliable lifting with decent height clearance. Looking through reviews on Amazon, customers find the car lift works well and consider it excellent value for the money. The build quality receives mixed feedback, however, with some praising the thick steel construction while others find it cheaply made. Installation experiences are mixed as well, with some finding it simple while others complain about poor manuals. The fit is also mixed, with several customers noting it's not 111 inches tall as advertised. So you'll want to do your own research on this unit before making the purchase. If you're working with heavy-duty trucks or commercial vehicles, the KATOOL 12,000-pound auto lift belongs in your shop. With a massive 12,000-pound capacity and nearly 75 inches of lift, this beast is built for bulk. The single lock release adds convenience, and the industrial-grade hydraulic system makes short work of heavier loads. It's perfect for serious mechanics dealing with larger vehicles or lifted trucks. Looking through the reviews on Amazon, customers find the lift works well and is well built, with one confirming it can handle full-size vehicles. They consider it excellent value for the money. The installation process received mixed feedback, however. The customers find the instructions not specific enough. The measurement of accuracy was also problematic for one customer, reporting incorrect measurements in the installation diagram. So you'll want to consider this in your decision as well. At number 3, the APlusLift floor plate model features a floor plate design, giving it more rigidity and making it easier to install in garages with lower ceilings. With the included truck adapters, it lifts to a strong 81 inches, one of the highest on the list. It's perfect for users who prefer a floor plate style and want long-term reliability with solid warrant support. Amazon customers find the car lift straightforward to install and appreciate its functionality, with one mentioning it works well with 10-foot ceilings. The lift receives positive feedback for its build quality with good welds, and customers consider it great value for the money. Taking the number 2 spot is the KATOOL 11,000-pound lift. This lift stands out with its 11,000-pound capacity, a nice step up from the standard 10K models, and a direct drive system that improves efficiency and reduces maintenance. The single-point lock release adds convenience, and it features a high hydraulic setup that runs on standard 220V power. It's perfect for mechanics who want extra lifting capacity without stepping into commercial price territory. Reviews on Amazon generally praise lifts for its solid construction and reliable performance, with one user confirming it easily handles full-size vehicles. Many consider it a great value for the price. However, the installation process gets mixed reviews. Some users found the instructions lacking in detail, and at least one pointed out inaccurate measurements on the installation diagram, which caused some confusion during setup. And taking the top spot is the APlusLift overhead clear floor model. This overhead clear floor model is a fan favorite, offering high commercial grade performance, 81 inches of lift height, and one of the best warranties in its class. It combines stability, lifting height, and support, making it our top pick for all-around value. It's perfect for home and professional garages that need top-tier balance of power, height, and durability. Customers on Amazon consider the car lift excellent for value and for money, and consistently praise its build quality. One reviewer specifically highlighted the high-quality hydraulics and hoses. In terms of performance, users report that it functions very well overall. Installation experiences, however, vary. Some found the setup straightforward, while others struggled with unclear instructions. Feedback on the parts list is also mixed. Some customers received everything as expected, while others wished for a more detailed inventory to help with assembly. Still, this lift is definitely the top pick on Amazon. There you have it, the top 5 two-post car lifts. You can grab right now on Amazon. Whether you're lifting a Civic or a Silverado, there's an option here for you. Check out the links in the description below for current pricing, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more gear reviews and saving tips.